Hey there, it's me again. Last time we talked about how to properly dispose of the water you use and how doing that correctly maximizes the water treatment process here before we return this to the natural water cycle, and how that also saved you money at the same time. Today, I'd like to talk to you about helpful tips on the water you remove from the natural water cycle and how it can save you money at your house. Did you know that only 1% of all the water on Earth can be used for human consumption? This is the water we use for drinking, showering, and washing. That's why we have to be careful on why and how much of this water we remove from the natural water cycle for our daily needs. Because like every natural resource, it is limited in its supply. We see this limited resource being depleted more and more with lakes, rivers, and wells drying up due to human demand increase. As our population increases, so does the demand for water. This is why we pay for water. As the demand for a limited item increases, the item is now valuable. So wasting water is wasting your hard-earned money.
So we have two simple, free ways to see if your toilet is leaking. First is by sound. If you hear your toilet running, then you have a leak. Second, you can stop by Manteo Town Hall and pick up a dye tablet. Drop it in the back of the commode, wait for the dye to disperse, and if you see any dye in your bowl, then you would have a leak.
A leaking shower or sink like this could add up to 3,000 or more gallons to your water bill at the end of the month if it's not fixed. So make sure when you leave the shower or the sink that everything is turned off and you have no drips.
And we also want you to know if you're in the garden, whether it be vegetables or flowers, another helpful tool is a rain barrel. You can find your rain barrel at our town hall office. If you have gutters on your house like this, you simply set it up below. It'll catch 50 gallons of pure, free water.
Another tip on conserving water is by checking your irrigation system. To check your irrigation systems, you can check your spray patterns to make sure they're not watering your driveway. And second is by checking your timer to make sure it's set properly.
If your water hose valve or nozzle has a small drip and you have it as tight as you can with your hand, that means you need to replace your rubber sealing gaskets, which cost less than $1, but they can save you more than $100 by the end of one summer. So by the end of the summer, would you rather have this stack or this stack?
And the good news is that you can fix most of these leaks by yourself for a few dollars with a trip down to your local hardware store. And we want you to know if you're not sure you have a leak or you have a question about anything you've seen, feel free to call us at our town hall office and ask for our billing department. If they can't answer your question over the phone, me or one of the guys you've seen will come out to your place and answer all your questions that you have. This is our staff's level of dedication to ensure the best water treatment process, and that process starts with making sure that our customers have the best quality water possible at the cheapest possible price, because it is one of the most priceless resources that we cannot live without. So by being mindful and responsible with the water we use every day, we'll ensure that there is water for future generations. And remember, you will start saving money today.